Hello, and welcome to Mindful Cuts from the Cut Corner team. Today, we are going on a relaxing adventure to a peaceful meadow in Poland. First of all, find a comfortable position. You might like to sit back in your chair, lie down, or find any other position where you can really relax. Try gently to close your eyes, but if you need to keep them open, lower your gaze and try not to focus on anything in particular. Start by focusing your attention on your breath. Notice and feel the air when you breathe in and breathe out. Notice your tummy rise when you breathe in and feel your tummy relax when you breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax all your muscles. With every breath, your body feels softer and more relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out. Now imagine you have just finished school after a very busy day of learning and working really hard. You are on your way back home, walking very slowly and feeling quite sleepy and tired. You notice a little path ahead of you. You walk towards the path curiously and follow the route with your gaze. You notice that it leads to the forest. It is a beautiful sunny day and it seems very peaceful and safe around you. You can hear the trees gently rustling in the wind and welcoming you on this adventure. As you take a stroll along the path, the birds greet you with beautiful melodies and guide your way towards the forest. They are your friends. With every step you take, you feel your stress and tiredness melting away. The forest is a safe place, and the friendly birds keep guiding and protecting you as you continue this journey. You arrive at a beautiful meadow in Poland. It seems like a nice place to rest, you think to yourself. So peaceful and quiet. You take your heavy backpack off and immediately feeling a lot lighter. Your shoulders begin to relax and your mind is free from any worries. You look around and absorb all the beauty of the nature surrounding you. The juicy green grass and the vibrant flowers spread beneath your feet like a soft carpet. You take your shoes and your socks off and feel the grass gently massaging your feet. That feels very soothing. You lie down and stretch your whole body. This helps your mind and muscles relax and release any tension. As you look up, you see a clear blue sky with small feathery clouds looking like a very and comfy blanket covering you from above. The grass tickles your arms and that makes you smile. It reminds you of someone you love dearly. You feel calm and secure. Notice gentle warmth from the sun on your cheeks and just enough breeze lightly brushing your face to keep you fresh and comfortable. You feel peaceful, happy, and rejuvenated. Now that you've finished your relaxing adventure to a peaceful meadow in Poland, take a moment to finish off with your experience, noticing your breath again. And if your eyes are closed, gently open them again whenever you're ready, feeling very relaxed and fully alert.